My name is Inge Kristensen. I'm the CEO of the Danish Society for Patient Safety, and I am visiting here at the AMTC, and it is absolutely fantastic. I have enjoyed being around the whole campus, seeing a lot of startups and how you can integrate truly medical device innovation and patient safety. The work that AMTC is doing, integrating innovation and the production of things is truly inspiring. And I think that we can learn a lot from that in Europe, of course, in Denmark. And the way that patient safety is taken into these endeavors is very inspiring. So I look forward to visiting again and hopefully bringing people from Denmark to see this and spread the word about marvelous work that has been done here. So thank you very much.